Hello friends, today I discuss auto ballast tube light wiring connection with diagram. Tube light 4 feet or 2 feet connection. Auto ballast terminal is 4 terminal. Switch on off switch. Line voltage to 220 voltage AC line. Phase input, switch input, switch output, it ballast input. Neutral is common ballast. Ballast outgoing phase tube light terminal. One connection, 2 number point tube light connection. 4 number terminal is tube light connection. 3 number is connection tube light connection. Auto ballast terminal input voltage terminal 2 terminal negative and positive. Auto ballast outgoing 4 terminal. Auto ballast line phase input is tube light is on. Very simple tube light connection auto ballast.